లాస్ట్ లో చూసుకున్నా చెప్తున్నాగా అనిలం రైట్ మళ్ళీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని అడగాలా అడుగుతా
కొత్తగా చేస్తాను
కొత్తగా ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం ఎప్పటికీ బాయ్స్ కాల్ అయితే ఈసారి గర్ల్స్ ట్రై చేద్దాం వాళ్ళ ఆన్సర్స్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్ right come okay our last class is what ma types of antibodies tell the names how many types are there Varsha
5 types.
tell their name
IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD and IgD.
IgD okay IgA is there na it available in how many forms
2 forms.
tell their names
Secretory form and serum form.
secretory forms found in where
In the mucosa of respiratory tract, urinogenital tract and gastrointestinal tract.
what is the function of
Prevent
this
entry of
IgA?
microbes into the mucosa.
Why?
of the
How it
tract
prevent?
Because it kills
Where it is situated? Where it
in
is
the
found?
mucosa.
It found in the
Mucosa
mucosa.
of the
What
tract.
about the second one? Serum IgA.
It is found in colostrum.
Colostrum means what?
Milk. First mother milk.
First mother milk. First secretion.
First
Milk
secretion.
of the mammary gland. Right. Right. What is the benefit?
It prevents parasite attack in intestine of babies.
Babies. Good. Okay. In the world, most consumed milk is what?
Goat milk.
Goat milk. So the goat milk is almost resemble the mother milk. Not the and another one what my indigenous
Cow milk.
It is also not suitable for all children because it has lactose intolerance is there. Okay, good Varsha. Next, who is there? You, Nigira, Anita Chaudhary. Nigira, tell your last class. Antigen. Antibody structures. Tell the based on the antibody functions, it contain how many regions? 4. Tell the reasons. Anita Chaudhary. Tell Anita Chaudhary. Surely for that. Based on the immunoglobulin functions, it has 2 regions. Upper region, lower region, side region, partial region, inside the region. Right? Next, middle girl, do it. Based on the immunoglobulin function, it has 2 regions. Immunoglobulin has 2 regions. Yo, పద్దెనిమిదవ అధ్యాయం సోమేత్రం ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాను
Fragment.
fragment FC fragment your good name ma Sirisha is day by day going to become intelligent. You guys, you 2 girls day by day downgraded. Good Sirisha, you are day by day improve a lot. Okay, next sit ma Utali you what is the function of the fragments? Next, you center. Fragment means what? Sirisha karu cheptara anni buttons ani
Bends and reactive antigen. Bends and reactive antigen.
bensa
Binds.
ఆయన అనుకుంటుంది నేను అడిగిన దానికి అట్లా అంటాడు సారు అంతేనా అమ్మా ఇట్ బైండ్స్ అండ్ రియాక్ట్ యాంటిజెన్ అంతే నా బటన్స్ అని గుడ్ బటన్స్ అని రైట్ చెప్పింది కూర్చో నెక్స్ట్ అమ్మ అవుతుంది ఓకే గుడ్ tell the scientist name he proposed the basic structure of the antibodies simple అది పాత క్లాస్ అని ఇప్పటి క్లాస్ అన్నమాట tell the types of immunoglobulins Tell their name.
IGS, IGD, IGE, IGN.
Sit. Put a name. Among that 5 antibodies, which antibodies immunoglobulin transfer mother to the fetus? There are 5 types of antibodies now. In that 5, among the 5 types, which one? IG? Which read it? Which immunoglobulin transfer mother to fetus? Azizur Rahman. IG? Riyaz. IG? Yes, Riyaz is right. I said thousands of times. IgG is only immunoglobulin transfer mother to the fetus during the types of immunity class, and also recently I said many times this word I repeated. Only IgG, only IgG, only IgG. But in come to you people, you said again IgA, IgM, IgD. CH Raju next. You Raju, I think yours. Anything you tell about that 5 immunoglobulins? Two sentence. Any 2 sentence. Question. Sit. Tu ఎప్పుడైనా ఆలోచిస్తున్నావా? Say anything your illustrated. At least tell your type's name.
IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD.
That's it. Sit. So the continuation class now we completed last types of antibodies. Now the continuation class now immunoglobulin Ig. Immunoglobulin functions. Immunoglobulin functions. Continuance of the class now. Immunoglobulin functions. Right. Okay, good. Common thing now. Tell me what is the major function of the antibodies?
Killing
Simply, it kills the antigens or microbes. Simple thing, everyone knows it. Simple what ma? The main function of what ma? The main function of the antibodies protect the host or protect the body against microbes. Simple ma. The main function of the antibodies what ma? The main function of the antibodies is protecting which one ma? Protecting the body against what ma? Body against the microbes. Means finally in your view, antibodies kill the microbes. So that way protect the body. So what is the main function of the immunoglobulin? Immunoglobulin main function what ma? Protect the bodies against microbes or against antigens. Antigens means anything which is harm the human state. Right? Okay. Simply it can't kill the microbes. They attack the microbes in 2 ways. What I am saying ma? This immunoglobulin attack or kill the microbes in 2 ways. Right? What I am saying ma? The immunoglobulin ma. Immunoglobulins attack the what I am saying ma? Attack the microbes how many ways ma? Microbes in how many ways ma? 2 ways. So the mainly the immunoglobulin attack the microbes in 2 ways. What they are? We need that 2 ways. We need these 2 ways. First and second. The first way they attack the microbes. Direct attack on the microbes. They directly attack ma. Direct attack on the microbes. What I am saying ma? Immunoglobulin attack the microbes in 2 ways. The first way what ma? Directly attack on the microbes. Second way, activation of the complement system. What ma? Activation of the what ma? Activation of the complement system. Complement system. I already said what is that complement system, right? So what I am saying now, so this immunoglobulin attack the microbes in two ways. They are the first direct attack on the microbes. Second way is activation of the complement system. These two ways adapted by the immunoglobulins. Now we are going to discussing the first method, that is the direct attack on the microbes. Now put on heading ma direct here are direct attack on what ma direct attack on the microbes. Right. Direct attack means immunoglobulins attack various ways. Means it's not a one way. Simply can't go kill the microbes. In direct attack have many methods. Means immunoglobulin attack the what I am saying about this immunoglobulin attack the microbes in different ways. Attack the microbes in different ways. Can't simply go one way. They attack in different ways. What I am saying immunoglobulin attack the microbes. What I am saying attack the microbes in different ways or different methods. So immunoglobulin kill the microbes in different methods, in different ways. So what I am saying the immunoglobulin kill or attack the microbes in different ways or different methods. We need that methods. What are the methods adapted by the immunoglobulins? Different methods adapted the immunoglobulin for killing the microbes. So immunoglobulin attack the microbes in different ways. What are that ways? First way, agglutination. One method. Second one, precipitation. Third one, lysis or neutralization. Fourth one, lysis. Fifth one, opsonization. The sixth one is called selective transport. These are the 6 methods. So immunoglobulin kill the microbes by these following 6 methods. What they are? Agglutination, precipitation, neutralization, lysis, opsonization, selective transport. These are the 6 methods. Means they are the 6 direct methods. So direct methods are adopted by the immunoglobulin. So now we are going to discussing the first method, that is the agglutination. Put on a heading agglutination. Sirisha, have you heard the name agglutination? Agglutination, common word. See, listen to the first word, what ma? Agglutination. Varsha, what is that agglutination? Swallow. Swallow and girls. Okay, what is that, Anita Chowdhury? Agglutination. Anil? You know only lysis. Seema, just whatever mind, just explore whether it is right or wrong. Either no one give reward point to you. You have to open up mind. Open up is most important here, ma. Okay, open up is better than the sitting silence. Say something. It will be fresh your mouth. Azizur Rahman, what is that agglutination? Have you heard that term agglutination? I am saying agglutination. I am saying mixing. Yeah, mixing is right. Mixing is 100% right. Grouping, clumping, combining. So right definition ma. Agglutination means clumping, grouping, combining or thing. The definition is ma. Simple definition ma. Agglutination. The clumping of. What I am saying ma. The clumping means what ma? Group of mixing, join together and combining. The clumping of antibodies and antigens are called agglutinations. Means if antigen antibody joining together, we call what ma? Agglutinations. So what I am saying ma? The clumping of antibodies antigens is called agglutinations. Here antigen means what ma? Antigens are any bacteria, virus. So bacteria and antibodies combined join together, that is called what ma? Agglutinations. What happened? They both are joined, both are combined together. What happened ma? Fighting will happen. Which one is die? Which one is win? No, always antigens are not die. The antigens are attack you people. If antibodies fail to protect you, then you will get infected now. Later you take the vaccine tablets, the secondary matter. First what happened? First antibodies defects, then antigen attack you. Then later you have to take vaccine and tablets. So what I am saying ma? Clumping of antibodies and antigens are called agglutinations. What happened in agglutinations? Next ma. In agglutination, antibodies destroy the what ma? Destroy the antigens. Basic definitions. So what happened when clumping in agglutination? In agglutinations, antibodies are destroy the antigens. Common thing. If they fail, that antigen attack to you people. Next ma. So here finally in agglutination what are involved ma? Antigens are involved, antibodies are involved. So here ma, the antigens involved in the antigens which are involved in agglutinations is called agglutinogen. What I am saying ma? The antigens which is involved in the agglutinations is called what ma? Agglutinogen. Same definition ma. The antibodies which are involved in the agglutinations is called agglutinin. What ma? Agglutinin. What is that meaning? Agglutinogen, agglutinin. What I am saying ma? Agglutinogen and agglutinin.
Antigens and antibodies involved in agglutinations.
You are more focusing on the SAR board पर नहीं राश for. See ma, I am saying you understand. You can write your own words. Not need to each word copy. Okay, can't write every sentence on the board ma. You just heard. You can imply your own way. What I am saying ma? The antigen which is involved in the agglutinations are called agglutinogens. If the antibodies involved in agglutinations, that antibodies are called agglutinin. What is the simple meaning ma? Agglutination antigens are called agglutinogen. Agglutination antibodies are called agglutinin. These are agglutinations. One more thing. Many antibodies ma. Many antibodies have two antigen binding site AGBS. What I am saying ma? Many antibodies. A, G, E, D. So many antibodies have two antigen binding sites. Means they capture or they bind only two antigens and destroy only two antigens. Suppose you feel this antibody, it contains how many antigen binding sites? Two. Many antibodies have two antigen binding sites. So it capture only two antigens, kill only the two antigens. But important thing, my dear, IgM, right? IgM has 5 to 10. How many ma? 5 to 10 antigen binding sites. I already said earlier in types of antibodies this word. What I am saying ma? Antigen has 5 to 10 antigen binding sites. The IgM antibody only bind the 10 antigens. Remaining antibodies, they bind only 2 antigens. But only M has the capable to bind 10 antigens. So they has 10 antigen binding sites, AGB. Yes, right. This is about the simply agglutination. What is that agglutination definition?
Clumping of
Clumping of antigen antibodies is called agglutination. What happens in agglutination? In agglutination, antibodies are filled the antigens. So the antigens which is involved in the agglutination is called agglutination. If the antibodies involved in the agglutination is called what ma? Agglutination. One more thing, what ma? Many antibodies or many immunoglobulins have only 2 antigen binding sites. Only one ma? IgM has 5 to 10 antigen binding sites. Means it binds the 10 antigen here means what ma? Virus, bacteria, anything. Right. This is the agglutination is over. Second one is what ma? Precipitation. Precipitation. Right. Now put on second. Precipitation. Precipitation also is a semi-solid substance. It can't liquid, it can't total solid, semi-solid. Precipitations. What is the definition of the precipitations? This is the antibodies, various means antibodies. The antibodies combine with the, what I am saying ma? Combines with the soluble antigen. Which antigen ma? Soluble antigens and form a insoluble precipitant. And form what ma? Insoluble precipitant. This is important ma. So what I am saying ma? Antibodies combines with the soluble antigens and form a insoluble precipitant is called precipitation. Precipitation means what my dear? A semi-solid substance. It's not a liquid, it's not a pure solid. So what happens my dear in precipitations? Finally antibodies, this antibodies bind which antigen ma? Soluble antigen. They make it become a insoluble. So what happens ma? In this insoluble, in this precipitation, what happens ma? Antigen become inactive. Did you understand ma? These are the soluble antigen freely move in the body. When antibodies combine it becomes what ma? Insoluble. So in this precipitation, what happens ma? Antigen become inactive. Right here ma. In this precipitation or in precipitation, in precipitation, antigen become what ma? Inactive. Antigen become inactive, right? Antigen become inactive, right? This is what ma? Precipitation. Simple. Over. Next what ma? Third one. Neutralization. What ma? Neutralization means what? Anil said I know neutralization means what? Neutralize or hemolysis. Neutralization means neutral means normal. Yeah, normal. Suitable. Oh, good. Neutral means making anything is inactive. Making anything is inactive is called neutral. I am full active. Principal didn't go. So I am inactive. Making anything is inactive is neutral. If neutral means arthe. Agreeing word support a word. So neutralization means what ma? Simple ma. Definition. The antibodies binds with what ma? Binds the antigens and make them inactive. When antibodies bind antigen, what happen ma? Antigen become inactive. Automatically it will be happen. So what is the neutralizations? The antibodies bind antigens and make them inactive. Make them what ma? Inactive. And make them inactive, that is called neutralization. These are the methods ma, how the antibodies bind the antigens. One of the precipitation form, another is what ma? Neutralization form. Neutralization means what ma? Antibodies bind antigens and make them inactive. That is the neutralization is over. Next part ma? Lysis. Now the time for Anil. Tell what is the lysis?
Breaking of memories.
Okay. What one is what ma? Lysis. What is that lysis?
Breaking of cell membrane.
Yeah, breaking of the cell membrane. The breaking word is right. Right ma. If any lysis means, if anything break into small pieces is called lysis. So what is the definition here ma? Simple ma. The antibodies. What I am saying ma? The antibodies break the antigen into small fragments. Fragment means what ma? Small pieces. What I am saying ma? The antibodies break down the, what I am saying ma? Break down the antigen into fragments or small fragments is called what ma? Is called what ma? Lysis. Simply lysis means if anything is break down into small pieces or small fragments is called lysis. So this is one of the method ma. What is that lysis? The antibodies break down antigen into small fragments or small pieces, that is called lysis. Over. Now the fifth one is what ma? Opsonization. Opsonization is the most common terms to you. I said many times. Anilam, tell what is that opsonization?
Activation of complement system during the microbes.
Activation of
Complement system
that complement system, where it is situated?
on the cell skin.
On our cell membranes. Okay, good. What is the function that complement system?
Complement system will be inactive before attacking the antigens.
Hmm.
When the antigen again is become activated,
Then what happened after activate the complement system? What they did?
it releases
It killed the microbes by the process of.
opsonization.
What is that opsonization?
The antigen will be attacked by T cells and B cells. It becomes antibodies to
Okay. Varsha left. Okay, you did good.
Coating of antigens by complement system is called opsonization.
He said right. He said what is the complement system? It is located is right. The opsonization definition is the complement system coating the bacteria. Coating the antigen is called opsonization. What is the benefit? This complement system coating the bacteria.
B cells and T cells
Because
actively
this
identify
opsonization making bacteria more attractive. Then many phagocytes attracted and attracted. I said common example, makeup. Makeup. So Varsha ready was highly makeup, so smart. What happened? Everyone knows what happened. Many boys are attracted and attracted. Same will happen here. Right, come to the point. The fifth one is what? Opsonization. Simple. Here we have to use instead of complement system antibodies. We say what ma? Antibodies function na? Right here ma. Antibodies are immunoglobulin or complement system. You are wish. Antibodies coating the, what I am saying ma? Coating the or covering the. Coating the surface of the, what ma? Surface of the antigens is called opsonization. Got it my point? What I am saying ma? This is what? Bacteria. This bacteria surface coated by what ma? Antibodies. This is called what ma? Opsonizations. This opsonizations making the bacteria more attractive. So many phagocytes are attract this bacteria and attack the bacteria. This will be happen. So what is the definition of opsonization? Antibodies coating the here antigen means what ma? Anything. It may be bacteria, it may be virus, it may be worm, parasite, fungus, anything. Right? So antibodies coating the surface of antigen or bacteria is called opsonizations. What is the use? This opsonizations simple ma. This opsonization making the what ma? It making the bacteria more susceptible for phagocytosis. Means it attracted many phagocyte cell ma. What I am saying ma? Opsonization making the bacteria or antigen more susceptible for what ma? Phagocytosis. Here phagocytosis means what ma? Again destroy and killing. What are the phagocyte cell? Yeah, basophils, eosinophils, neutrophil, monophil. What monocyte? When that monocyte transfer enter into the tissue, then they become a macrophages. What are the macrophages? Liver. Liver has one macrophages is called Kupffer cells, microglia, and dust cell, histocyte, osteocyte. These are the macrophages. Right. So what happened now? This opsonization making an antigen or bacteria or wish more susceptible for the phagocytosis. This is about the opsonization is over. Next what? Sixth one is what ma? Selective transport. It name tell everything. Selective transport. Right. Selective permeability. We heard these terms during the plasma membrane, one of the function. Na? Okay. How many antibodies you have on immunoglobulin? 5. So in human being contain how many ma? 5 immunoglobulins. Out of 5, only IgG transfer mother to fetus through the placenta. So what I am saying here, selective. The 5 antibodies can't enter into the baby. Only which one ma? Only among that 5, only IgG. This is selection ma. Only IgG among that 5, only IgG transfer mother to the fetus. This is selective transport. Right. Write the definition here. What? How to write ma? So the human being, contain what ma? So the human being contains what ma? 5 immunoglobulins. What ma? 5 IgS, 5 immunoglobulins. Human being contains 5 immunoglobulins. Out of this, only what ma? Only IgG. Only IgG transferred. Where to where ma? Transfer mother to fetus through the what ma? Through the placenta. But the 5 can't go ma. Only which one ma? The only selectively IgG transfer mother to fetus through the placenta. This IgG is most important and entrance point of view. Right, one more thing. What is the functions of this IgG? It provides protection to newborn up to 9 9 months. So what it is ma? It provide what ma? It provide protection up to 9 months or 6 to 9 months. So it provide protection or it give protection up to 9 months to the baby or newborn. This is the selective transport, right? What is that selective transport?
Among 5 antibodies, only IgG is transported from mother to
Fetus through the placenta. So what is the function of the IgG? It provides protection up to 9 months of the fetus. Right. This is the
direct attack.
first method. Direct attack on the microbes. What is the second method? Activation of the complement system. Now put on it the activation of complement system. This activation of complement system I already said everything. Now the second method, that is the what? Activation of complement system. Activation of complement system, right? This is the second method, activation of complement system. What is that complement system? First, what is the complement system? Listen, CS. Complement system is a inactive protein system. What ma? Complement system is a what ma? Inactive protein system. Inactive what ma? Inactive protein system. This inactive protein system formed by the 20 amino acids, 20 proteins. Not need to write this here. So what I am saying ma? CS means what ma? Complement system is a
inactive protein system.
This inactive protein system where is present? Where it is
surface of
situated?
cell.
Next ma, this inactive protein system present on the cell membrane or surface of the cell or cell membrane. This inactive protein system present on where ma? Present on cell membrane or surface of the cells. Cell membrane. Cell membrane. Instead of these things, you can write another way definition. Simple complement system is what? Simple ma. Inactive, simple ma. Just listen. Inactive protein system of the cell membrane is called complement system. What I am saying here? Inactive protein system of the cell membrane is called complement system. Or go this way. CSC is an inactive protein system. Inactive protein system found on the
Cell membrane.
Okay, totally it is an inactive form. When it become active?
Attack of antigen.
When, yeah, good. When antigen antibody complex are formed. Got it, my right? Here, in hand. When here, in here, which one happened? When antigen and antibody are combined. This combined activating system is inactive protein system. So this inactive protein system activated by antigen antibody complex. When they are combined, then the system is active one. So next word is inactive protein system, PS. Inactive protein system activated by what ma? Activated by what ma? Antigen and antibody complex. Right, so antigen antibody complex activate the system of inactivated protein system. So this inactive protein system activated by the antigen antibody complex. Fine. Finally, what happened here? Inactive protein system became a active protein system. Right. So this This active protein system, PS, this active protein system attack the microbes or kill the microbes. This active protein system attack the microbes by the process of opsonization. What ma? Opsonization, lysis. This process ma. So what I am saying ma? This activated protein system attack the microbes. Attack the what ma? Microbes. Attack the what ma? Microbes by the process of opsonization, lysis. Opsonization and lysis. This is the activation of complement system. Just listen once again. What is that complement system?
Inactive
Complement
protein
system is a inactive protein system. Where it is present ma?
Cell
This
membrane.
inactive protein system present on the cell membrane. Good. When it become active,
by the formation of
this
antibody
inactive protein
body
system
complex.
activated by the
Antigen antibody complex.
Finally, this activated protein systems what they do ma? Attack the microbes by the process of opsonization and lysis. You know about the opsonization, you also know the lysis. This is the activation of the complement system. Finally, these all are the immunoglobulin functions or antibody functions. So, how many way it attack the microbes ma? Antibodies?
Two ways.
First way what ma?
Direct.
Direct attack on the microbes. Second one? What are the methods involved in direct attacks?
Agglutination.
6 methods. What they are?
Agglutination.
Precipitation, neutralization, lysis, oxidation, selective transport. So second final one, activation of the complement system. This is the immunoglobulin function. One more thing is there ma here. Next class you have ma AG and antigen antibody reactions. See ma, here what we discussed it till now. This all are the antigen antibody reactions. But we put a separate topic antigen antibody reactions. If you read immunoglobulin function, same matter you can apply antigen antibody reactions as it is. Right? So we will discuss later. This is about the immunoglobulin function is over.